So good morning to all. In our previous class, we discussed a few concepts relating to the management accounting, right? Before moving into the today's class, just we will review whatever topics discussed in the earlier class, and we will move to the today's class. Okay. First topic we discuss concept of branches of accounting. Even though screen visible to you, concept number 1, but in reality, in the previous class, we discussed concept number 3 first. Correct? Yes. So, concept number 3, branches of accounting. Generally, accounting having 3 branches. Number 1, financial accounting. Number 2, cost accounting. Number 3, management accounting. Correct? Yes. So, be frankly speaking, for time being, costing recognized as a separate subject. Okay. Left from the accounting world, and management accounting also treated and identified as a separate subject. Separate subject. Identified as a separate subject. And left from the accounting subject. Left from the accounting subject. In present days, under the call of accounting, only there is only one subject called as financial accounting. Financial accounting. Clear? Excellent. So, we have to first briefly we have to discuss regarding accounts, and then we will move to the management accounting. We already planned in the previous classes. Correct? Excellent. What is meant by accounts? Accounting is nothing but it is a process of systematically recording, reporting, analyzing, and organization financial transaction. Whatever financial transactions are there, we have to record, we have to report, we have to analyze, we have to record systematically. Clear? What is the main agenda of the accounts? What is the main agenda of the accounts? Our subject called means for time being our subject. Okay. So accounting will be helpful to provide financial information to the users. Which information? What information you require? Such information I will supply. Who told? Accounts. Who told? Accounts. Correct? So, for suppose, for the purpose of shareholder, or for the purpose of owner, or for the purpose of investor, shareholder or owner or investor, one and the same. What information require you want? Profitability, yes, I will supply. Financial position, yes, I will supply. Who told? Accounting. It means accounting subject will be helpful to provide financial information as you require. For example, you are an employee. What is your requirement? Net profit. How much profit earned by the company? Why? Because based on the profit only, my salary will be increased. Based on the profit only, my bonus will be decided. Are you getting my point? Till now clear, my dear friend? Till now clear? So based on the user requirement, accounting subject will be helpful to provide appropriate information. Correct? Correct, ma? Excellent. So next, according to Warren Buffett, in 2014 he gave certain definition. What is the definition, my dear? Accounting is not a subject, it is a language. It is a business language. Simply saying it is a business language. Correct? Correct? Excellent. Who is the users? Number 1, owner or investor. What is their expectation? Profitability, position of the organization. Profitability can be determined through trading and P&L account. Position of the organization can be determined through balance sheet. It is obviously clear. Next, management. Based on the scenario or based on the situation, based on the case to case, management requirement is differ. Management requirement will be differ. It means, my dear, specific information required based on the scenario to make appropriate decision. To make appropriate decision. Correct? Correct, ma? Excellent. So next, creditor. Who is a creditor? Lender. Whoever having interested to give money. Money. In that scenario, such person shall be referred as creditor. Uh, Listen, man. So, what is the creditor intention? Come on, what is the creditor intention? By giving money, I want to know credit worthiness. I want to know what? Credit worthiness of the organization. Is it having repayment capability? Really having repayment capability? Is there or not? Is there or not? Regulatory agencies. Regulatory agencies. Are you remember? Example, income tax raid. During the income tax raid, they will rely the financial statement. They will rely audited financial statement, be frankly speaking. It means regulatory authorities getting clarity whether tax paid by them is correct or wrong. Based on the financial information only, they will check. For suppose, GST authorities came. GST authority is also one of the regulator in India. Correct? Correct? GST authorities will check whether GST properly paid or not, whether GST properly claimed or not. Claimed, paid. Claimed means ITC, paid means GST payable. Correct? GST payable is based on sales. How much is sold? How much amount you got the sales? Clear. ITC means input tax credit here. Input tax credit. It's like some adjustment. Okay. You have to learn in GST. Respond here. Such ITC is based on purchases. It means purchases is form part of trading account debit side. GST liability, GST payable is based on, GST liability will be based on sales. GST liability minus ITC is equal to net GST liability or GST payable to the government. GST payable to the government. Indirectly, GST authority is based on trading account. Is based on trading account. Next, government. See, government having a lot more tension to know the national income, to know the national policies, especially economic policies. How much GDP is there? What industry should have encouragement towards increasing their sales? Increasing their sales. So government will take financial statement as a measure to know what is the net profit of the industry, not company. I told example, Tata industry, Tata automobile, Hyundai automobile, Audi, Bench, Maruti group of institutions. Correct? So next, employees. What is the employee requirement? We want profit. How much? Profit earned by the organization. How much revenue growth? How much operating margin ratio? These ratios I am interested. Why? Because these ratios will be helpful to decide how much pay I can expect as a employee. Correct. How much pay hike can expect? Pay is different from hike in pay. Hike in pay means increment. How much increment can I expect as a employee? Researchers. For researchers, accounting will be helpful to develop new ideas. To develop what, my dear friend? New ideas. Till now clear? These things already discussed in the previous class itself. Just we are reviewed. What are the previous class topics we discussed? Till now clear? Excellent. So next, now we will enter into next concept, concept number 4. What is meant by management accounting? What is meant by management accounting? See, listen ma. term called as management accounting, we have to bifurcate into two parts. Part number one, management. Part number two, accounting. The term called as management accounting here, we can break into two terminologies. Number one, management. Number two here, accounting. So what is meant by management? What is meant by management? Wait, listen, very simple here. Our role, our role will be wherever you work in the future. Assumption you are working in a Santur company, soap manufacturing industry. Respond ma. Santur company, soap manufacturing industry. What is your role as a management accountant? As compared to competitor, our company should be, sales should be high. Our company should earn more profit. More profit. Correct? More profit is based on costing. Why? If you control the cost, profit obviously will come. It is form part of costing. But I want to more sales. See, if you listen the costing properly, group 1, we will focus on only cost. How to improve sales? Any chapter it told? No. How to improve sales means may God bless you. Like that costing will tell. But management accounting will focus how to improve the sales. How to improve the sales as compared to competitor. As compared to competitor. It means two terminologies is there here. Number one, management. Number two, accounting. Management which involve steering the organization towards strategic goals. Steering the organization towards what ma? It means management will be helpful to achieve VMOG. VMOG means V means vision, M means mission, O means objective, G means goal. VMOG is called strategic goals. VMOG, both four terminology can be referred as strategic goal. Clear? Respond ma. Goal is different from strategic goal. Sir, what is the difference, sir? Goal is different from strategic goal. For every business, listen carefully, for every business, main goal to earn more profit as compared to competitor. It's obviously here. To compare to competitor, I have to earn more. Correct, Praveen? I have to earn what? Praveen, I have to earn more as compared to whom? As compared to, not this side, competitor. Correct? No. I'm telling, as compared to competitor, please, as compared to competitor, we have to earn more. It means sales should be high. If you want profit means, obviously, sales should be high. In terms of quantity, in terms of rupees. In terms of quantity, in terms of what ma? Rupees. Both should be high as compared to what ma? Competitors. As compared to what? Competitors. Clear? Correct ma? For suppose, this is a goal. What is a strategical goal? What is a strategical goal? Every business entrepreneur having mindset to improve the goodwill rather than sales. Sales improvement is good. Sales improvement is necessary. Rather than improvement in sales, we have to focus on goodwill also. We have to focus on, for example, if you see the ad, Santur soap, one small girl is there. She came to Mahesh Babu. Okay, listen. Mahesh Babu is asking, listen ma. So, such girl is came to one cine celebrity. She's asking, I want autograph. Okay. After making autograph, such a cine celebrity is surprised after seeing his mother. Correct? Why mother is very young? Because of our soap. Correct only. Because of our soap only, she is very young. His ad review like that. Ad is giving summary like that. correct? And whatever ad is there, that Santur soap ad is there. What is the theme? If you use soap, you look like a young. You look like a young. But in reality, we are using daily, not look like a young. It's reality. It's a hard reality. Correct? Correct. So, coming back to our discussion, for cine celebrity, they have to pay something. Without paying, such cine celebrity will not act in such ad. In the view of Santur company, it is heavy investment. Correct? It is heavy or high investment. Number one. Correct or not, ma? Correct. For suppose, especially IPL season. During the IPL season, advertisement will come na between over to over. If wicket gone, in two situations only, advertisement will might have chances to come. Number one, if over is completed, 6 balls is completed in such over. Correct. Number one. Number two, if wicket gone. If wicket gone, obviously advertisement will come. Correct. Correct. Such company has to pay. Such company has to pay to the such whatever Geo Hotstar or Star Network group of companies, whatever, those are the broadcast partners. Broadcast partners are there. Such company has to pay to show their product as a advertisement. What is the intention here? What is their intention? For example, they are showing Sprite. What is their intention? By seeing the Sprite advertisement, all customers will having intention to purchase. No, they are improving their brand or goodwill. They are having intention to not only improve the sales, to improve their goodwill or our brand image. Brand image. Listen, goal is different from strategic goal. I told. What is a goal? For every business organization, goal should be to earn more profit. To earn more profit. For suppose, A to B. Are you heard the hotel name? A to B. No. In Chennai, it's a famous A to B. A to B. Adiyar business, actually. Adiyar. Okay. A to B is one of the famous hotel in Tamil Nadu segment. Tamil Nadu people only knows A to B business. Correct? So, A to B business is well settled in Chennai and remaining parts of the Tamil Nadu. Remaining parts of the Tamil Nadu. They want to coming to the Delhi, or they want to came to the Vijayawada. Just assumption. They want to coming to the Vijayawada. Tamil Nadu habits, food habits is different from Andhra food habits. Correct? Andhra food habits is different from Telangana. Telangana food habit is different from Karnataka. State to state food habits will be slightly changed. Slightly changed, not too much, slightly changed. In South India, if you go for North India, totally different. Totally different. Correct? We will take daily rice, occasionally chapati. In North, reverse. They will take daily chapati, occasionally rice. Totally, food habit is totally different. In South India, almost similar. Some of the states still matched. Might be cooking style is different. Correct? Just assumption. A to B hotel launched in North India. A to B hotel launched in North India. By startup, cost should be lesser, higher. Cost should be higher, lesser. Less only. Then only to attract the customers. If cost is high, such product might not be tasted by the North Indian people. Then hotel business will not click. Correct? Correct? Our organization goal to provide cheaper cost to North Indian region for certain days, not for all days here, for certain days. Why? Because we are running a business, not charity. Correct? Correct? North Indian manager, he is forgot about the strategic goal of the organization. What is the strategic goal? To give cheaper rate for certain days. North Indian manager sold higher price, even though such price is not in Chennai. That price is earned and intimated to management. Sir, this much price, idli price, I sold 150 per plate, 300 per plate, 300 per plate I sold. Profit is so high, sir. Okay, your goal is reached, but our goal should be to attract more people to reduce the price by giving reducing price. Strategic goal is different from goal. Strategic goal is different from goal. Strategy means, listen carefully, strategy means it is a game plan. What is meant by strategy? It is a game plan. For what purpose? To attract the customer, to retain our existing customer, to attract new customer, to retain old customer. Retain, the language retain, whoever seeing the IPL, the terminology written is, we can easily understood. Every year auction will be there na. Auction year. Last time also auction is there. Every time auction will be there. Every time franchisee owners giving list. These players are retained. These players are not retained by us. Not retained means the player's name will be visible in auction. Anyone can purchase. Correct? For suppose RCB retained Virat Kohli. Retained means they will continue. Same. What is a strategy, my dear friend? Come on. What is a strategy? Come on, yaar. It is a game plan. It is a game plan to attract new customer. New customer should come. Old customer should continue or retain. Old customer should continue or retain. At the same time, I want new customer. This is a strategy. This is a strategy. Till now clear? Till now clear, ma? Excellent. So now tell me, the word management accounting. The word management accounting. Management which involve what, ma? Steering an organization towards what? Strategic goal. What is meant by strategy? Strategy means, come on, ma. Strategy means game plan. Game plan to attract new customer and retain old customer. Retain old customer. This is a strategy. This is a strategy. This definition will be useful for us. So many definitions are there. The terminology or the word called as strategy. It will be discussed a lot more definitions under strategic management by your lecturer. Whatever required definition we are considered. Respond here. Correct. For suppose, if you go for SM class, such lecturer will tell in the future, strategy is derived from the army to defeat the enemy. Like that they will tell history. That means that is form part of their syllabus. Whatever required by us, such definition only consider. So many definitions are there. The term called as strategy. Don't misinterpret. Sir doesn't have knowledge regarding strategy word. That is the reason whatever he have knowledge, he told like that. Don't think like that. Whatever required for the management accounting, that definition only taken. That definition only taken. We don't need. What is the background of strategy? The strategy word is derived from where? For which purpose they are used? Not at all used for the management accounting. It will be used for strategic management subject. Respond here. Now tell me, my dear friend. Management accounting having combination of two concepts. Number one, management. Very simple. What is the maximum aim or main objective of the management? Running the business, steering the business or running the business. Running the business towards not goal, strategic goal. Running the business towards what? Strategic goal. Accounting. What is meant by accounting? Gathering and analyzing. What, ma? Gathering and analyzing. What? Information to assess the organizational performance. To assess the organizational performance. Correct? whatever we thought the strategy, this strategy will be helpful to attract the customer. Is it okay, or otherwise I have to change the strategy? That is a thing will be given by accounting. For suppose if you remember, if you go for small shops, just after purchasing you made the phone pay, voice is coming in the Mahesh Babu voice is will come. Correct? Correct, ma? 10 rupees is received. Thank you so much, boss. Like that in Mahesh Babu voice will come. Correct? Correct? Correct, ma? Before, are you heard any celebrity voice in the phone pay? No. No. Mahesh Babu only taken initiative to link up with the phone pay. Phone pay organization. Correct, air? Correct. Then why? Can you guess? Why Mahesh Babu taken such initiation? It is also one strategy. Okay, he is going to the movie with SS Rajmouli. It will take some time. It will take some time. If you see the Bahubali, it is taken more than 1 year. More than 1 year. Approximately, I don't know what time, but more than 1 year it took. Just think in the view of cine celebrity hero, he sacrificed so many film projects. Prabhas having so many film projects, but he postponed due to because of one film. Correct? Just think in the view of cine celebrity, how to survive here. They having lot of commitments, lot of money. You just every fan is thinking Prabhas having so much money. No, every person having their personal problems. Every person having their personal problem. Then you have to earn, na? Mahesh Babu also same thing, na? That is the reason they came with the strategy to earn certain money with the phone pay. Why? Because he know no films will come before Rajmouli film. He already signed. He already be practically speaking, he already signed with the SS Rajmouli. All of us know SS Rajmouli film means it will take more than 1 year. For at least survival of the current year, they have to generate any secondary income in the source of advertisement. That is the reason he came for phone pay voice. Correct? Correct. It is also one of the strategy here. It is also be practically speaking, it is also one of the strategy. I'm not criticizing any person, just I'm telling what is their thinking. What is their thinking? Till now clear? Clear, ma? So now tell me, what is a strategy? Running a business organization. What, ma? Running a business organization towards what, my dear friend? Strategic goals. What is accounting? What is accounting? Whatever you strategy, whatever you thought the strategy, whatever you thought the strategy, such strategy is worked out or not? Is it worked out or not? We have to gather the information. You have to gather the information. For suppose textile industry in upcoming month means exactly I don't know 4 or 5 days, Ashadam season is coming. In Telugu month Ashadam. Correct? Every textile business, they are trying to push their sales. Why? Because in Ashadam season there is no marriages, there is no functions. There is no functions there. Marriage function is not there. Next, engagements also might have less chance. Number 2. Number 3, housing ceremonies. Gruha Pravesham. That ceremony also will postpone here. In Ashadam season, no person is interested to celebrate any good things. All the things are postponed. Then textile industry, especially sari business, their sales will be low. They have to come with the offer. 1+1 offer, 1 kg sale offer, 20% discount offer, 30% discount offer to attract the customer. Just assume Chandana brother sari shopping mall coming with the 30% discount. What is the strategy? To attract the customer, to push up the sales in the Ashadam season, even though marriages is not there. Customer in present days, in present era, customer also very much thinking capability, very much. Okay, for suppose AC price will be high in summer season. That is the reason before starting summer, customer is trying to purchase. Customer also having awareness which time prices will be gone high, which time prices will be normal, which time prices will be reduced. Correct, Arvind? Correct? Excellent. So listen, customer after ashadam, what is the next one? August. Okay, may God bless you, beta. I know August. After ashadam, what is the month I'm asking? He's told August. In August also still some of the days ashadam season is there. Why? Because July 4th ashadam season start, August 3rd till is there. Now tell me August, no. So after ashadam, what is the season here? Shravana Masam. So Shravana Masam is very special. Listen here. Okay, you have any previous experience in such month? No, no. Listen. Listen. Shravan Masam is very famous for engagements, marriage, housing ceremonies, or any other functions. Correct? Correct? Every woman will think, or every person will think, this month will give discount 30%. In next month they will forgone the discount. It means they will withdraw their discount. Every customer trying to purchase 1 month before. 1 month before. This is a customer view. What is the organization view? To push up the sales. To push up the sales. Respond here. Correct? So, what is the organization thinking? That thinking is worked out. Vaishnavi, that thinking is worked out or not? That can be done through accounting. That can be done through accounting. Till now clear? Till now clear? So now tell me, what is the management? To draw a appropriate strategy. To draw a appropriate strategy. Appropriate strategy. To achieve strategic goal. Whether such a strategic goal can achieve or not can be measured through accounting. Can be measured through what, ma? Accounting. Both words is called management accounting. It means management accountant having objective to draw a strategy, whether such a strategy is worked out or not. Both the things we have to report. Both the things we have to report. Respond, ma. So, what is the management here? Running a business organization towards strategic goal. What is the accounting? Gather the information, analyze the information. For what purpose? For bhajana purpose? No. To assess the organizational performance. To analyze the organizational performance. Till now clear? Till now clear? Generally, management can be classified into 3 types. Generally, management can be classified into how many types? 3 types. Senior management, middle management, lower management. What, ma? Senior, middle, lower. These words can be, alternatively we can say top level management, middle level management, lower level management. Then according to whom? CIMA UK. According to CIMA UK, Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, they told that management accounting, what is a management accounting? According to CIMA, management accounting, application of accounting and financial principles. Application of what, ma? Accounting and financial principles to create, to protect, to enhance value for both profit and non-profit organization. Profit and non-profit organization. My dear friend, profit organization having intention to earn more profit. What about non-profit organization? What about non-profit organization? No, non-profit organization also having intention to earn more profit. Then why are you calling non-profit? You might surprise. See, profit-oriented organization earn any profit. Such profit can be enjoyed by their owners. Such profit can be enjoyed by their owners. Non-profit organization, any profit is earned, such money can be utilized for same objective in the future. That is a difference. Correct? Correct, my dear friend? See, it play vital role. It play important role in the what ma? Guiding strategic and operational decision. Guiding what ma? Strategic and operational decision for short term and long term planning. What ma? For short term and long term planning. Determine capital structure. Determine capital structure. If you go for FM class, one of the chapter, capital structure, cost of capital, capital structure, capital budgeting, working capital, ratio analysis, leverage, it's a form part of official syllabus of FM. Correct? What is meant by capital structure? What is meant by capital structure? Listen carefully. According to capital structure theories, there are only two things. Number one, equity. Number two, debt. Number one, equity. Number two, debt. Correct? Number one, what ma? Equity. Number two, what ma? Debt. Equity cheaper, debt cheaper. Come on. Equity cheaper, debt cheaper. Come on, my dear friend. Equity cheaper, debt cheaper. Debt or equity? Please participate in the vote. Anybody telling the or agreeing the statement debt is cheaper as compared to equity, please raise your hand. All boys and girls having voting participation. Voting rights will be there. Properly raise your hands. Debt is cheaper in your opinion as compared to equity, right? Correct? Excellent. What about remaining? Equity is cheaper compared to debt. Please raise your hand for this statement. Okay. It is not matched there. Again, I will check. Just wait, just wait. Now I will focus in the entire class who is not participating the voting. What is the background reason? Technical reason or any other reason I will identify. Listen. Debt cheaper as compared to equity. Please participate your vote. Debt is cheaper as compared to equity. Excellent. Equity is cheaper as compared to debt. Excellent. Remaining people still not participated. For example, Himesh. Himesh, please get up. Mic. Take the mic. Take the mic here. Suchan. Suchan, the mic. Which option you voted? Option 1 and option 2? See, there are only two options. Correct? Please use a mic here. Hello. Please use a mic. Please use a mic. Amanda? Please use the mic and tell which option. Do you have sense?
Option 1, sir.
Option? Justify your statement. What is the option 1 statement? Come this side. Please clear the bench. Come this side. Come. Please come here. బయట రమ్మా. తెలుగులో అని చెప్పలేదు నీకు. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం ఓటింగ్ వేయకోకుండా వాళ్ళందరినీ అడుగుతా నేను. కామెడీ అనిపించింది మీ క్లాసు. రైట్రా కమ్. Use the mic here. No. You should use. What is the statement number 1? What is the statement number 1 here? Hello. YouTube live is going on here. You should tell. Tell. What is the statement number 1? Please. What is the statement number 1 I told? For which one you wrote it? Option 1 or option 2? Please use the mic and tell.
Option 1, sir.
Option 1. What is the option number 1? What is the option number 1 I gave? You simply sitting in the class, right? You simply sitting in the class, just, huh? Move. And now I will check again. Debt is cheaper as compared to equity. Who are interested to participate in the voting, please vote. Debt is cheaper as compared to 100%. I will take the action if you are not participating in any vote. Debt is cheaper. Excellent. Now it's decent. Equity cheaper as compared to debt. Excellent. Then my dear, can anyone having knowledge to prove that debt is cheaper as compared to equity? Anyone? Can you justify? Just blindly vote, not like that. Can you justify? Can you? Yes. Please switch on the mic.
డెట్ హోల్డర్స్ జస్ట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కోసమే ఆశపడి ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా సార్.
Okay.
ఈక్విటీ షేర్ హోల్డర్స్ ఓటింగ్ పవర్ కోసం చేస్తారు.
ఓటింగ్ పవర్ కోసమా?
కంపెనీలో ఏమన్నా డెసిషన్ తీసుకోవాలంటే వాళ్ళని అడిగి చేస్తారు కదా సార్.
ఓకే, నాకు పవర్ వద్దు, డివిడెండే కావాలి అనే వాళ్ళు కూడా ఉంటారు కదా.
అంటే ఈక్విటీ షేర్ తీసుకోవడానికి కారణమే ఓటింగ్ డివిడెండ్ రెండు కదా సార్.
ఓకే, ఓటింగ్ డివిడెండ్. నువ్వే అంటున్నావు డిబెంచర్ హోల్డర్ స్వార్థపరులు, ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కోసం వచ్చారు.
అంతే.
మరి ఈక్విటీ షేర్ హోల్డర్స్ నిస్వార్థపరులు, పవర్ కోసం వచ్చారు.
కాదు సార్, వాళ్ళకి కొంచెం ఎక్కువ హోదా ఉంటుంది సార్ ఈక్విటీ షేర్ హోల్డర్.
ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ why debt is cheaper as compared to equity. I'm asking in that view. I'm asking why debt is cheaper. You voted for debt is cheaper, right? Why debt is cheaper? Oh, you are thinking the view of power, ah? Sit down. I got your point. He's telling that equity shareholder having designation is a real owner. Debenture holder is treated as a outsider. It means in the view of designation, debt is very cheap. It's outsider. Equity share very high. It's a real owner. Not in that view here. I'm asking about reality. Debt is cheaper as compared to equity. Or equity cheaper or as compared to debt. Which statement is correct means both statements are correct based on the scenarios. Based on the scenario, both statements are correct here. Both statements. Debt is cheaper as compared to equity in certain situations. Equity is cheaper as compared to debt. As compared to debt. For example, for every debt holder expecting interest, every debt holder they expecting what? Interest. If company not earning anything, company profit is equal to 0, not a matter. You have to pay interest. ఇసుక అమ్ముకో, నాకు సంబంధం లేదు, నా వడ్డీ నాకు పే చేయంటాడు. అర్థమవుతుంది మాట్లాడుతున్నా, నువ్వు ఏమన్నా చేసుకో, నాకు సంబంధమే లేదు, నాకైతే అమౌంట్ పే చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ అర్న్ ద ప్రాఫిట్, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ నాట్ అర్న్ ద ప్రాఫిట్, నాట్ ఎ మ్యాటర్ టు మీ. యూ హ్యావ్ టు పే ఫిక్స్డ్ ఆబ్లిగేషన్. ఫర్ సపోజ్ కంపెనీ earning the profit 60 crores, interest is 120 crore, then also have to pay 120 crores. I don't know, whatever you arrange. Correcta? Correcta? Now tell me, debt versus equity, which one is cheaper? Equity is cheaper in this view. Equity is very cheap here. Equity shareholder will not ask. Debt person, if I am not earning properly, they have to pay. Correcta? In second scenario, what is the debt interest? I already told in last 2 minutes back here. What is the debt interest? 120 crore. Just assume company earned 2000 crores. How much interest you have to pay? 120 crore. 4000 crores I earned. What is the interest? 120 crore. How much I earned? Just I pay 120 crore, remaining amount for me. Remaining amount for me means entire amount will goes to whom? Equity shareholder. Is very costly here. earn 2000 crore, 120 crore gone to debenture holder, remaining amount goes for equity shareholder, then equity shareholder is very costly as compared to debt. Now tell me, equity cheaper, debt cheaper? Again telling debt cheap. No, here, based on the situation you should tell. Based on the situation, in some situation debt cheap, in some situation equity cheap. Correct? In that scenario, we have to determine appropriate capital structure. We have to determine appropriate capital structure. Who is the role? Management accounting role. Management accounting role. Determine what ma? Capital structure. Determine capital structure. See, company have emergency fund or company required 100 crores. Company require what ma? 100 crore. Option 1, equity shares I'm issuing worth of 70 crore, debenture holder issuing 30 crore, total 100 crores. Total 100 crores. Total 100 crore. Excellent. Next ma, option number 2, equity 70 crores, loan 30 crores. Option 3, equity 50 crore, preference 20 crore, debenture 30 crore. Which option is better? Option 1, option 2, option 3? That is the role of the management accounting. To determine which capital structure is better. Which capital structure is better? Respond here. Excellent. So now tell me, according to CIMA, management accountant having role in guiding a strategy decision, guiding a operational decision, supporting short-term, long-term planning. Next, determining what? Capital structure. Determining what, my dear friend? Capital structure. Next, shaping executive and shareholder incentive. Shareholder incentive means wealth maximization. Shareholder incentive means what, my dear friend? Wealth maximization. Wealth maximization. Clear? So, how wealth will be maximized? We have to think. Shareholder value should be increased. Share value should be increased. For suppose, if company earned anything, is called EBIT. Be frankly speaking, EBIT, earning before interest and tax. You should reduce minus interest is equal to EBT minus tax is equal to EAT or PAT. Both words we can use. EAT means earning after tax, PAT means profit after tax. Correct? Correct? Yes. Profit after tax minus preference dividend is equal to earning available to equity shareholder. If earning available to equity shareholder is there, we have two options. Number 1, declare a dividend. Retained earnings is nothing but reserves and surplus. Both will give wealth maximization to the shareholder. Both will give wealth maximization to the shareholder. As a management accountant, you should give advice or suggestion to improve the wealth maximization. Wealth maximization. Next ma, controlling operation resources efficiently. You should use the organizational resources efficiently and as well as effectively. Till now clear? Next, measuring and reporting the performance. Next ma, protecting assets. Protecting what ma? Assets. Managing risk and governance practice. These are the role of management accountant in the view of whom? CIMA. If you see the role of the management accountant in the view of CIMA, some of the roles look like FM. Some of the roles look like a FM. Some of the roles look like accounts. Some of the roles look like a costing. Some of the roles look like a MA. Correct? That is the reason MA is combination of FM. I told initially. MA is a combination of FM. MA is a combination of economics. MA is a combination of statistics. MA is a combination of accounts. MA is a combination of costing. All the subjects together called as MA. Correct? Be frankly speaking, to determine capital structure is purely purview of FM, financial management subject. But we will discuss. Calculation of KO, it's purely FM. But we will discuss in the management accounting in divisional performance measurement chapter. It means in MA, in our subject, all the subjects is coming together. And name it as MA, management accountant. Clear? These are the roles of management accountant. In according to whom? CIMA UK. CIMA UK. So, according to, listen ma, according to the definition provided by whom? CIMA. So, it is evident that management accounting involve what ma? Presentation of accounting information. Presentation of what? Accounting information by the management accountant in a manner supports management in performing their function. Very simple here. CIMA definition is very simple. According to CIMA, what's your role? Management accounting is nothing but presentation. Presentation of what ma? Accounting information. Presentation of what? Accounting information. How should you present? Present in a manner that support in performing their function. Support in performing their what ma? Function. In essence, management accounting focus what? Gathering, presenting relevant financial information to aid. To aid means help. For example, in bus, especially transport industry, one rule should be there for transport industry. Every public bus, government bus ma, first aid kit should be maintained. That too, driver backside one box should be there. Content nothing, but box will be there. That box, name it as first aid box. What is meant by first aid? After accident, first help. Same like a doctor. Aid means help. So, listen, management accounting focus on what ma? Gathering, presenting relevant financial information to help effective managerial decision. Till now clear? So next ma, the primary objective, what my dear friend? Primary objective is to help the management in operating the business more efficiently, enhance overall performance. See, with the help of management accounting information, they will act more efficiently. Business will work more efficiently. At the same time, they will improve their performance. Till now clear? Ma? Excellent. Now coming back to the one more concept, Colin Dury. He's a famous author. In economics. Adam Smith is a famous in economics. Respond here. Correct? Same like that, Colin Dury is also one of the famous author towards management accounting subject. Santosh, I think you are listening the class, right? Okay. So, Colin Dury statement. What is a Colin Dury? Listen ma. According to him means, according to Colin Dury, what is a management accounting? Management accounting, combination of what? Accounts, finance means FMR, finance, management, what ma? Management, to help business succeed. It means, my dear friend, you should know the basic accounting, basic finance, basic management. Then only you will become a management accountant in the future or in your career. It means as a management accounting, as a management accountant, what's the expectation? You should know the accounting. You should know the FM. You should know the management theory. You should know the statistics. You should know the economics. You should know the costing. You should know the costing. See, according to whom? Colin Dury. According to Colin Dury. Management accounting professional. Management accounting professional. Giving financial advice. Giving financial advice for projects. For projects means whether to accept or reject. Whether to accept the project or reject the project. Whether to accept the project or reject the project. It might think, Babjan, it might think this role is already completed in FM. In FM, whether to accept the project or not, we will use capital bursting technique like NPV, IRR or any other techniques in FM. But such techniques will not be used in management accounting. In management accounting, perception is totally different. Totally different. Whether to accept or not. For suppose, for example, we'll take one example. See, company name ACD Limited. Their cost structure. Their cost structure. Raw material 7 rupees. Labor they incurred 4 rupees. Direct expense 1 rupee. Overhead 2 rupee. How much cost? 7 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3. How much here? 14. This is a profit. This is a profit. Sorry, ma. Extremely sorry. This is a total cost. Profit 6 rupees. 20 rupees is called selling price. This is a cost structure per unit. I am taking per unit cost structure here. Not capital structure here. Cost. Manufacturing cost. Correct? What is the cost? 14. What is the profit per unit we are earning? 6. What is the selling price? Just assume this is a 2024 data. 2024 data. In 2024, they are estimated, just they are guessing, they are estimated data relating to 2025. What is their guess? Raw material will become 9 rupees compared to 7. It's an estimation here. What is the raw material? 9 rupees as compared to 7. Labor is increasing to 6. Direct expense 1. Overhead 2. What is the total cost here? What is the total cost? 18. Then what to do? If selling price is equal to 20, our profit is decreasing from 6 rupees to 2 rupees. 4 rupees is decreased. 4 rupees is decreased. If 4 rupees is decreased, wealth maximization is not possible here. Our main agenda to give suggestion for increasing the wealth of the shareholder, right? Then what to do? This is a question mark. This is a question mark. One director, listen carefully. One director, name called technical director. One director called as marketing director. Technical director telling that selling price should increase to get 6 rupees profit as usual. Respond here. It means 18 plus 6, 24. Instead of 20, we will plan for 24 rupees selling price in 2025. Whose view? Technical director view. Marketing director told that selling price is 20. That also difficult for us. Marketing persons know hard reality, right? They are interacting frequently with the customer, right? They are telling that if our company's selling price is equal to 20, very much difficult to convince. If you are moving 20 to 24, I can't do anything. Sorry. Sales should not increase. Sales will be decrease. Respond here. All the manufacturing unit will be referred as closing stock. Why? Because marketing director is not cooperated. Not cooperated means customer is not willing to pay 24 rupees. Then what to do? Then what to do? Marketing director telling that, please keep quiet. 18 plus 2, 20 rupees put the price and make a additional investment for advertisement in exhibition or business mela or any other people gathering place. Improve the sales. Oh, you are not getting anything. Business mela, you know. Exhibition, you know. Exhibition here, local festival, exhibition will be there, na? There are not there. Exhibitions are there. Business exhibition is there. Next, melas, business melas are there. Certain people gathering places are there. People gathering places. For example, in village or town level, it might not look people gathering places frequently, but in city level, people gathering places will be shopping malls. Shopping mall, yeah. Correct? If you go for Hyderabad, in orbit mall, not Hyderabad, Bangalore, sorry. If you go for Bangalore, in orbit mall is there, Forum mall is there, GVR, certain complexes are there, so many shopping complexes are there. Correct? If you go for Hyderabad, AMB mall is there. AMB, our cine celebrity, yeah. Correct? Okay. AMB mall is there. Correct? If you go for AMB mall, in ground floor especially, in entrance, so much place is there. In certain days, they will come with the two-wheelers, newly launched two-wheeler, they will display. Why they display? Additional advertisement. People are gathering that place. Respond here. Correct? It means marketing director told that you should maintain 20 rupees selling price only. Please invest certain amount in the advertisement to improve the sales. To improve the sales, then it will be balanced. It will be balanced. Technical director correct? Marketing director correct? Don't tell like that. Based on the scenario, based on the data to data, it will change. Sometimes technical director might have look like a correct. Some situation marketing director opinion is correct. Which opinion should implement? Which opinion should implement? Which opinion should implement? These data coming to your office or your cabin. CEO is asking as a management accountant, please give suggestion whether technical director implementation should go or marketing director implementation should go. Okay, now you have to analyze both situation. Which one is more feasible? Which one is more feasible? That option will giving a report as a management. Correct? Respond, ma. So, according to Colin Dury, what ma? Giving financial advice for projects. For project. Marketing director versus technical director. I told na. Next ma. Help manager understand the money impact. Money impact of the business decision. What ma? Money impact of the, come on my dear friend. Money impact of the business decisions. Correct? Respond. Next ma. Track spending and control the budgets. Track spending. If you track the spending, you can know what is a unnecessary expense. You can know what is a necessary expenses. What is a necessary expenses? What is a unnecessary expenses? Next ma. Check the business performance. Check the business performance through audit. If audit is effectively doing, not by Verma Sariyar, I am telling audit means practically. Correct. If audit is doing practically and perfectly, every weakness of the organization can identify. Every weakness of the organization can identify. Such weakness can be overcome by the management accountant. Such weakness can be overcome by the management accountant. Next one. Analyze what? competition and its effects. Analyze the competition and its effect. Why? Because based on the competitor strategy only, we'll make fresh strategy. Correct? For example, in olden days, Pepsodent advertisement will come. In olden days, 12 hours germ check. 12 hours germ check. It means if you brush in the morning up to 12 hours, there is no bacteria. There is no chance of bacteria. After 12 hours, indirectly saying, please brush again. It means in olden days, morning time and night time, before sleeping, they are brushed. In present era, present generation, morning also not possible because of our busy schedule. Because of our busy schedule. Correct? Correct, ma? To improve their sales, they told, come on, they told what, ma? They told what, madam? 12-hour germ check. It means Pepsodent advertisement giving like that. Close up advertisement. They told 12 hours. We told 24 hours. Door is rotating. Oof. One girl and boy is coming. Correct. That ad is coming. Excellent. I got it here. I got it. Don't see. Advertisement is different from your reality life. If you do like that, such girl will not never wake up. Never wake up here. If you do, oof, on the girl, such girl never wake up. Correct? Don't do like that. Listen, ma. So, Pepsodent giving 12-hour germ check. Close up will giving strategically different way. Next, if you see the advertisement, certain person is doing his personal thinking regarding brush. Some of the person coming with mic in your toothpaste. Salt is there. Like that they will come. Correct? Salt is advertisement is there here really in Telugu. In Telugu. మీ టూత్పేస్ట్లో ఉప్పు ఉందా ఉప్పు ఉండేంది పప్పు ఉండేంటి అర్థమవుతుందా అర్థమవుతుందా దెన్ why advertisement shooting like that? Why advertisement shooting like that? Can you guess? In your toothpaste, salt is there or not? Like that question mark symbol is coming with the mic along with the female. Correct? One advertisement is there regarding Colgate. Why such advertisement is doing in that manner? Can you guess? Can you guess, ma? Especially in reality, in certain villages, in present days also, they are not using the toothpaste, they are using the salt for brushing. To attract those category people, companies indirectly saying that in our toothpaste, salt is there. To attract such category people. Correct? Respond, ma. In certain scenario, in certain villages, neem tree వేపులతో బ్రష్ చేసిన సందర్భం ఓకే సో లిజన్ వేపు పుల్లతో అంటే నీమ్ ట్రీ వాట్ ఎవర్ బ్రాంచ్ ఆఫ్ నీమ్ ట్రీ ఇస్ దేర్ వీఆర్ బ్రషింగ్ కరెక్టా సచ్ కేటగిరీ పీపుల్ ఆల్సో దేర్ ఇన్ ప్రెజెంట్ డేస్ ఆల్సో సడన్ ప్లీజ్ ఇన్ సడన్ విలేజెస్ దెన్ టు అట్రాక్ట్ దోస్ పీపుల్ Colgate is coming with neem flavor whatever such to attract such people in certain categories of the villages, not using salt, not using neem branch, they are using coal also using here. Correct? Be frankly speaking, coal powder is using to brush. That is the reason Colgate is coming with the charcoal. It's a version of the one of the Colgate. Why these versions are coming? Colgate charcoal is there. Colgate active salt, Colgate neem. Correct? Why? To attract those segment people. Be frankly speaking, in one of the survey revealed that close-up sales is very high as compared to Colgate in olden days. In one of the year, Colgate, I want to know why close-up sales is increased, why my sales is decreased. At that time, I'm telling in olden days, okay, at that time, Colgate having only one version of toothpaste, that is active salt. Okay, be frankly speaking, close up is look like a very attractive, especially in red color. Red color, very tasty. Ah, chia. Daily eat, you are not brushed, then very tasty and look like a good as compared to Colgate. That is the reason Colgate is introducing Colgate Max Fresh. If you see the Colgate Max Fresh, look like a close-up toothpaste. Look like a close-up toothpaste. Correct? So it means based on the competition effect, our company strategy should change. Our company strategy should change. Example, Pepsodent versus close-up. Pepsodent giving 12 hours, close-up giving like that. Correct? Correct? Based on the competition level to attract new category people, they introduce Colgate Charcoal, Colgate Active Salt to attract new customers here. Active Salt, Charcoal, Colgate Max Fresh. Respond. Excellent. Next one. Maintain high standards of integrity and professionalism. Who? Management accountant, not company here. These are the management accountant role in the opinion of the Colin During. Previously also discussed management accountant role in the opinion of the CIMA. In the opinion of the CIMA. Till now discussion clear? Respond ma? So different author statements. Different authors statement. Different authors means other than Colin During. Other than Colin During. One more person. Garrison and Noorin in the year of 2000. Next, Wilson and Way, 1993. Johnson and Kaplan, 1987. Almost you are matched with the date of birth. Might. Next, Green and Dutter and Rajan, 2015. Clear? Excellent. So, these are the different authors. They express their opinion on our subject. According to Colin Dury, management accounting is a combination of all subjects. But they are telling their opinions. Number one, whom? Garrison and Noorin. In the year of 2000. In the year of what? 2000. According to him, managerial accounting is a primarily focused on providing information to the internal manager. Bharat, management accounting is simply saying, Bharat, no need to check for external party. We have to go for only internal party. Arey, you are misinterpreted my word, Bharat. See, they are giving internal managers only, not external. Correct. You got my point. Excellent. So, listen. According to him, what is meant by management accounting? Not focused on external. They are focused on only internal. They are focused on internal. It means their focus, not Bharat focus here. Management accounting focus. Management accounting focus providing what? Information. To whom? Internal management rather than external management. Rather than external man. You got my point, right? Excellent. So now tell me, according to, according to Garrison and Nooren, 2000, in the year of 2000, they defined that management accounting is nothing but subject is more focus, providing information, providing management accounting having only one agenda, to provide information. To whom? Internal manager. Internal. Who is the internal manager? Listen carefully. According to him, who is the internal manager? Those persons are responsible for directing, controlling business operations. Business operations. If anybody having responsibility to direct, if anybody having responsibility to control, directing, controlling, such person is called internal manager. Such person is called internal manager. Now tell me, According to Colin Dury, what is the meaning of management accounting? In his opinion, management accounting is a combination of all the subjects. According to Garrison and Nooren, okay, what is his opinion on the subject? Management accounting is more focused on providing information, providing only information to the internal manager. Who is the internal manager? Any person having responsibility to control or directing the business. Such person is called internal management. They further emphasize managerial accounting supplies what ma? Essential data. What ma? Essential data required for effectively running an organization. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in supporting with the planning, controlling operations, making appropriate decision. Making what ma? Appropriate decision. Now tell me, according to him, what is meant by management accounting here? Come on. According to him, management accounting means it is a subject to focus on giving appropriate information to the internal management. For what purpose they are using the data by internal management? Planning, controlling operations and making appropriate decision. Appropriate decision or informed decision. Appropriate decision or informed decision. Who is the definition? Garrison and Nooren. In which year he gave? 2000. Next, Wilson and Way, 1993. 1993, Chaitanya. In 1993, Wilson and Way, management accounting include what ma? Various methods. Management accounting, Sai Babu. Management accounting includes what ma? Various methods. They're using for what purpose? To give financial and non-financial information to the people within the organization. This helps them to make better decision. Butter means eating product. Better means it's good. Correct? So better decision, manage the operation in more effectively, improve the performance. Improve the performance. Look like similar, but opinion is different. Garrison and Nooren and Wilson and Way almost similar here. Both are similar, but expressing their opinion is different way. Correct? Garrison Nooren told that internal management. According to Wilson and Way told that it is a combination of various methodology, various methods to give both data. Which data? Financial data, non-financial data. Financial data and okay. For example, what is meant by financial data? What is meant by non-financial data? Financial data means which can be expressed in monetary terms. Non-financial data means which can't express in monetary terms. For example, company name XY Limited. What is the company name? XY Limited. Division 1, Division 2, Division 3. What ma? Division 1, Division 2, Division 3. Division 1 got profit 2 crores. Division 2 got 3 crore profit. Division 3 got 1 crore loss. Now management is considering to shut down the Division 3. This is a situation we already faced in the group 1 marginal costing, right? But in group 2 costing, in group 1, if you remember, before continue, what is a profit? After shutdown, what is a profit? Correct? But same situation in group 2, not only based on the monetary terms. If Division 3 is closed or if one branch is closed, what is a non-monetary effect? We will check. That is not form part of group 1 syllabus. That is a form part of group 2 syllabus called as application of marginal costing, shutdown or continue. The terminology, chapter name. Respond here. under the marginal costing subchapter, application of marginal costing, one more subchapter, shut down or continue. In that chapter, this situation is come. This situation already told in the group 1. But what is the difference between group 1 and group 2 means? Group 1 is focused in only on monetary terms. Group 2 is focused on non-monetary terms. What is a non-monetary loss? Can you guess? Monetary is very simple here. If division 3 is continued, what is the profit? Overall profit. D1, D2, D3. Overall company profit. If division 3 is closed, what is the overall profit? We'll check which option having high profit. That option will be exercise. Correct, Devendra? Correct, Devendra? Correct. Correct? Is it right? Yes. So then, based on the scenario. But if you go for group 2 analysis, we'll check non-monetary terms. Number 1, goodwill can't rise. In present era, in present days, it look like a division 3 is worst. It look like a division 3 is worst. Correct? It look like division 3 is worst. In future, division 3 look like a very good. In that scenario, goodwill gone. Based on the looking, goodwill gone here. It means, no, I'm telling the topic only. You are misinterpreting here. You are totally misinterpreting my words. See, you are looking, division 3 is worst in the present days. You are closed. You are closed in the view of division 3. But after certain days, you are realized, division 3 is very good, very good. At least some fixed cost will be recovered. At least some fixed cost is recovered based on the division 3 performance. You are thinking that again division 3 should start. Then goodwill is equal to 0 after reopen. That is a non-monetary term. Number 2, labor will come. No, new labor should recruit. Number 3, learning curve will be impacted. These are the non-monetary factor. It means in group 1, same situation means only monetary factor. In group 2, monetary plus non-monetary both are considered for the purpose of decision whether to continue or discontinue. Kavya, correct? Whether to continue the process, the D3 or discontinue. Not only monetary, you should consider non-monetary also. You should consider. Correct? As a management accounting, you should look for monetary as well as non-monetary. Correct? You should observe. You should observe monetary plus non-monetary. Both the things you should observe. No, not only monetary are. Correct? Excellent. Next. Listen, ma. So, according to him, listen. According to Garrison and Noorin, management accounting just providing information to the internal managers for the purpose of planning, controlling operation. According to Wilson and Way, we should provide information. Which information is not told? Which information means financial and non-financial information. He told that information should provide. He told that clearly. Information means both financial and non-financial information for the purpose of planning. For the purpose of what, ma? Planning. Next, Johnson and Kaplan, 1987. So management accounting developed mainly to meet the needs. Of manufacturing company, especially focused on measuring value, work in progress and inventory. For what purpose? Ma? Financial reporting and tax purpose. Correct? Respond, ma. It means according to him. What is meant by management accounting? Very simple. We'll come with the one by one author. First author, Colin Dury. In his view, management accounting means combination of all subjects. Combination of all subjects. Mahesh, correct? Combination of what? All subject, all expressions. Correct, Mahesh? Correct? Same logic here. Next, ma. According to Garrison and Noorin, management accounting means just providing information. According to Wilson and Way, providing information in terms of financially, in terms of non-financially. According to Johnson and Kaplan, management accounting is means it is a need. It is a need of what ma? Manufacturing companies. Manufacturing companies focusing on, come on, focusing on measuring the value of WAP. Value of the WAP. For what purpose value of WAP required? For financial reporting purpose, for the purpose of tax. For the purpose of tax. That is the reason we will study management accounting. Who told? Johnson and Kaplan. Johnson and Kaplan. Till now clear? Till now clear ma? పిల్ల జమీందార్ మూవీ చూసారా? పీజే మూవీ చూసారు మా? ఆ మూవీలో సైన్స్ టీచర్ వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అవ్వాలని, తెలుగు టీచర్ వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అవ్వాలని. మూవీ చూస్తేనే అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇద్దరికి ఓటింగ్ పెడితే సైన్స్ టీచరే గెలుస్తారు. సైన్స్ టీచర్ ఏమంటారు తెలుసుమా? నా గురించి అన్ని నెగిటివ్స్ తెలిసినా నాకెందుకు ఓటేశారంటే నా సబ్జెక్ట్ అవసరం ఉంది కాబట్టి. నా సబ్జెక్ట్ అవసరం ఉంది కాబట్టి. సేమ్ లాజిక్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అకౌంటింగ్ ఎందుకు చదవాలంటే మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్కి అవసరం ఉంది కాబట్టి. అర్థం? ఆ టాపిక్ ఇక్కడి నుంచి తీశారు, ఆ సినిమా మొత్తం ఇక్కడి నుంచి తీశారు. అంటే జాన్సన్ అండ్ కప్లాన్ డెఫినేషన్ బేస్ చేసుకుని పీజే మూవీ తీశారు. క్లియరా? సో చూడండి. సో in his opinion means Johnson and Kaplan opinion, Pradeep, management accounting means it is a need. It is a need for you or no, for manufacturing company. What is the need? To know the value of WAP. To know the value of what ma? WAP. Next, Horngreen, Datter and Rosen. So 2015 again. 2015. Clear ma? This definition will continue in tomorrow class. Clear? Thank you so much ma.